there's a way to make glass with oil, and it's flexible. If it's thick enough and you leave it jelly enough, I think eventually it can stop bullets. But you can actually see through it, and it's like rock oil. But what it actually is what you do is you have to inject iron into oil. If you inject iron into oil, then you form a metal triglycerate. The metal is metal, and the triglycerate is the plastic. It actually becomes a full liquid if you put it into liquid oil. And the cool thing about oil is, if you leave it on, it turns into a solid. So what you're doing is you're adding a metal to the oil, but it's actually got some carbonous material in with it. It actually includes a little plastic with the iron as well, but that sort of comes with the oil, because you can actually boil down oil to a solid, but you've already got solid in there. So you're injecting more metal into it, and the metal, so now it's black, it's a black plate. Because of there's black plastic with it. The iron itself would have been see-through brown color, but it's actually got this carbonous material in with it, which would make it black. So it's not see-through. I was trying to make see-through bulletproof glass, but it's not see-through. But maybe if you do it with paraffin oil, does that make a see-through solid, or is it still black? Maybe there's a way to make an oil that will go to a see-through plastic, and if you inject iron into that, you get a see-through brown, so bulletproof glass, but it's actually not as strong as metal. It's sort of like metal glued to itself on the atomic scale. Not that I believe in atoms, but it's just full exact non-discrete mergation. So yeah, it's metal glued together with oil. It's iron glued together with oil. So if you got iron and you put it in oil, how strong that is how strong the bulletproof iron oil is. But instead of doing it in discrete particles, it's just done it with exact mergation instead. But it's exactly the same, I think, except for instead of clumps of metal and clumps of oil, it's just exact mergation of it. But yeah, because it's iron connected by oil, it's probably not as strong as iron by itself. In fact, it's actually possibly a lot weaker. But it's a metal plasticate ceramic, and if you make it thick enough and you sort of make it not fully set, like you leave it liquid, maybe it's actually could be quite a tough material to get through, but it would never be solid metal, because it's just like vegetable oil connecting together, so it's a bit weaker. Iron glycerate, iron olive oil, and it's pretty strong, but we have to find out. So just remember, what you're doing here with this calcium glycerate is the same thing as if I just had glycerin between, say, like magnesium metal. The glycerin is weak compared to the metal. But possibly if you do it in a liquid, like as a ceramic, It could be stronger. Yeah. I'm not sure. Well, it's kind of like a different beast. But yeah. So, magnesium glycerate, magnesium metal powder connected by glycerate.